It's to do with the kind of effort that the team has really put across. And in this world where one needs to be adaptive, I think this was a terrific show in terms of all round performance. Very clearly, ABP won what we did to change the branding for inviting the people of Calcutta to change themselves. I think that was tremendously good. Axe Shower Gel, nothing that one can beat about it. Kisanpur 2, of course, has been another great one. Besides the fact that the kind of work that we have done on Kellogg's to Castrol to others has been phenomenally good as well. And last but not the least, not GSK, not to forget what we did for PepsiCo as well.
Mindshare truly deserves Agency of the Year because of these fantastic campaigns that we've pioneered in, especially Axe Shower Gel, Kisanpur have been really influential campaigns for our client.
Yeah, on Close Up, we had a campaign where in the Kumbh Mela, we actually tagged 10 lakh children and the elderly. And the tag ensured that in a crowd of about 10 crore, the people, even if they get lost, they would know how to trace themselves back to their family. Apart from that, we recreated the Close Up Antakshari that ruled almost television sets for about 15 years. We recreated that on radio.
South heroes have been termed as gods, and we tied up like with 8 movies in like 8 months, like 12 months, and we got like more than 4 million calls on the number, which led the brand arresting the stagnant market share what was having, and a sharp increase in the spont awareness.
This was a year when a lot of new stuff happened in Ogilvy Mumbai. So, for instance, we had new integrated teams. We had a new partnership with Google, which is the first of its kind in the world, actually, where one person from Google actually sits in our office and works with our creative teams and planning and account management teams to develop, kind of new age work. We had a new tool that we created for shopper marketing called Store Trek. So I think a lot of new stuff that we had done. It was important that we moved beyond advertising and did the same great work that we did in advertising also in digital, social, PR and experiential marketing. And I think a lot of new stuff had to be done, new talent had to be brought in. So I think it was just an all-round effort to bring in new into the agency, new within quotes, which I think really worked and helped us, kind of deliver results both on business and on, work that we created.
Closest one this year has been Tata Sky and Tata Sky Plus. And the reason why I think it means a lot is because, as a brand, it was Tata Sky as a brand was doing well, but Tata Sky Plus wasn't, and because of its high price, people don't understand what to do with it. They know it can record, rewind, but it didn't have a role in people's lives. And we set about doing that. Just figure out what role could something like that play in people's lives. Because television plays a big role in people's lives.
I think it's the work. That's the only thing that matters really. We're lucky to have clients who let us do a lot of brave work, which is category defining. And we luck out on the fact that the man on the street loves it, and in return it helps the client's business. It's applauded by the peers, and I think that's what helps us. Yeah, also, I would say while films have always been a strong forte, I think one big plus point for us this year was the Lifebuoy Roti campaign, because it's very different. It's an activation, I think, done on a scale that the world would have never seen, and it's as Indian as it gets in its insight, and it did phenomenally well as well. So I would say Lifebuoy would be a good standout this year.